So this is the board that I've mounted the air unit on. It's just a 3D print. I've got my mate to print me it. It's to go in my plane. What it does, it goes inside the fuselage and it holds the flight controller on it. But my mate printed me too, so I had this rectangle just sitting there spare. So I thought that would be perfect. So what I've done is I've just put a PDB on it. It's an old crappy PDB that I found laying around. I've just split the power from it. So what I do is I plug the LiPo into one end. That powers the PDB, which powers the air unit and also sends power to the car as well. With the air unit, you only need the live and ground. You don't need any data cables. So yeah, I just want it to transmit the picture. I press record on the goggles. That's all I need it to do. I'll put links in the description for the 3D prints here. But all that I do is I've got some standoffs coming through, and then they literally bolt to the inside of the hood there. So it literally is sort of suspended inside the car there. But yeah, it works pretty well. So what I'll do now is I'll screw it all together and go give it a test run and see how it is. But I'm quite excited. It's just like a random little spur of the moment thing that I sort of dreamt up. So hopefully it works okay. But yeah, I'm going to run it off a 2-cell because the car isn't really designed for a 3-cell. It runs on 2-cell, so I don't want to sort of burn the car out. It's only a little brushed motor there, but yeah, let's go see how we get on.
My life be like, yeah, my life be like, low-key and stand candid, reflect on all the things I try my hand at, search for the equation to persuasions I'm used to, finding comfort in the zones of closet bones I get loose to, a mountain is Fontaine, spinning in monsoon and grinning this high octane, explosive how I came, rolling down the hills cause life's a hassle, encircled by my folly like a moat around the castle, stay afloat, catch a second wind, thin is the air I breathe, teary-eyed nose running, wipe the snot on my sleeve, I'm calling on the Savior to be all that I need, please forgive me, my behavior had me lost in light speed. Times like these that make me say, Lord, if you see me, please come my way. Like leaving breadcrumbs or when I stray. Yeah, I'm sacrificing the price you pay. Like living like a fingertip. Sometimes I fall, I slip. Yeah, more feelings I be more like you. Try not to put your fight with the things I like. The fear of never falling in love, and the tears after losing the feelings of what you thought love was. Like the dirt still up under the rug. My life be like bad characteristics covered in Christ's blood. The joy of new birth and the pain of growing up. The bliss between giving my all and giving up. The highs and lows, paths and roads I chose in the cold I froze. Trying to ease my woes in this world of sin. Close too thin to fit, so the God I send words of help to win. And grumbling so deep letters can never express. So the sounds of ooh-ah beneath my breath will chest. Times like these that make me say, yeah, Lord, if you see me, please come my way. Like leaving breadcrumbs or when I stray. Yeah, I'm sacrificing the price you pay. Like living like a fingertip.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.